Hello and welcome. Today we will be going over creating a simple budget sheet. For many of us, we have troubles with Excel. Hopefully this will help alleviate any issues that you guys might have, as well as hopefully this will get you guys to plan a budget. Alright, so this is how I have mine set up. It's pretty easy. So this is my goals, my save invest. I have my categories, what my actual goal is, how much I've saved so far, and then a difference, and then I break it down per paycheck. So for this first category, I have emergency fund. My goal is $2,000. I've saved $0, so obviously I still have $2,000 more to go. So I get paid twice a month. So I'm going to use this one right here. So I have 37 paychecks left this year. So per paycheck, I should allocate $54.05 to meet this goal by my goal date. Now this could be any date that I want. I could say, hey, I want to have this done effective April 1st. I mean, that's one paycheck left until that one, so that's unrealistic. So I just have it set for the end of the calendar year. The formulas are pretty self-explanatory. So it's negative F2 divided by C10, which is going to be this cell. Now for these formulas to calculate how many paychecks you have left per year, it is equal to round down the days 360, A10, B10, divided by 15 times 2. And then we'll want to round it out to 0. If you put anything other than 0, it's just going to round it up again. So instead of being accurate, it'll be off slightly. So now for those of you that get paid every 2 weeks, you'll add an additional 2. So the only thing that will change about that formula is you'll just add plus 2 to the end. Because instead of getting paid 24 times a year, you get paid 26. Lucky you. So if you have any questions about this video or anything else that you would like to see, just comment below, let me know. I have no problems doing a video, typing out the formulas, helping you. Our email is 6taverntravelers@gmail.com. Feel free to reach out.